Good day, Jeff Kitzmiller here from the National Weather Service. It is Sunday, July 17th. Weather system will work its way into the region tonight, so we'll have at least storm chances in a lot of places overnight tonight and early tomorrow morning. Cold front works its way through on Monday, so have some showers and thunderstorms mainly up in northwest Montana, windy and dry south of I-90, and then warm and dry during the middle of the week, and then there's some storm chance returning into the forecast on Thursday and Friday, but not a lot of confidence in that quite yet. Looking at the water vapor satellite image here, there's still some blues and whites that are showing some monsoon moisture that's coming up into the region, so we'll still have some showers and thunderstorms mainly like south of Highway 12, south of I-90 today, and especially like Salmon to Butte is a main area, kind of like we've been seeing the last few days. And there's also a low pressure center right here that's showing up with some light blues and a lot of dry air that's coming in from the southwest. So this low, normally we would expect it to be pretty wet. It does look like it'll have some moisture with it, but as it comes through, it's also going to pull in some of this dry air and actually bring a lot of low humidity into the area. Looking at the overall weather pattern here with jet stream showing up here in kind of a greenish and orange color. Here's that low. It works its way through the north part of our forecast area, and then that gets out of here. High pressure builds in for most of the area through the middle of the week, and then there's the southwesterly flow that's showing up as we get closer to Thursday and Friday, and this is where it looks like we could end up getting back into a more active thunderstorm pattern. Looking at the moisture profile here, the greens are showing more moist, and these browns here, especially right here, showing up on Monday. A really dry air working its way into especially like the Beaverhead, and that is going to hang around through most of the week. You see here these are below normal amounts of moisture, and that holds through like the middle of the week, and then we do see a little bit of an increase in moisture to maybe closer to normal showing up, or just below normal as we get to the end of the week. So we'll have to watch that. Usually when we get into that southwesterly flow with a little bit of moisture, that's when we start to see thunderstorms. Looking at the projections for the radar here, looking at this afternoon, there's some storms that are showing up in the areas I had mentioned before. And then we see this area as the cold front and low works its way in, that looks like a fair amount of showers and thunderstorms could go through northwest Montana. And then there's still a little of that activity down south as well. So especially north, looks like the main area to see rain, showers, thunderstorms, and really up in here into the park region, Flathead County, that and Flathead National Forest, that area will actually be fairly wet tomorrow, it looks like. We have a lot of wind in the forecast on Monday, and here we see the oranges and the reds that are showing their main area of concern. Most of western Montana will see the gusty winds, and here's some of the numbers that we're looking at here with gusts easily into the 40 miles per hour range. We'll probably see a lot of 50s down here near like Butte, Anaconda up to Drummond, Highway 12, McDonald Pass, and then most everywhere else is more like 30 to 40 mile per hour gusts. Along with that, up north will still be fairly moist with the rain tomorrow, but the south part of our forecast area going down, especially in like the Beaverhead Deer Lodge, has a lot of low humidity showing up with teens, maybe even a couple single digits showing up. And when we go to Tuesday, we see that there's a lot of drier air that makes it into most of the valleys. So some of the driest air, like widespread driest air that we'll see, is coming up this week. And looking at the projections, July 22nd through 26th for the precipitation outlook, below average is now showing up, and then we're looking for above average temperatures. Highlighting the wind, the dry, thunderstorms. Tomorrow's the biggest day and the most impactful day that we see in the forecast. And then after that, it's just dry, and then started to introduce some thunderstorms in for the end of the week. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.